Hello, and welcome to the Dustpods Installation Training Program. Thank you for joining us. In this course, you'll learn the proper procedures for installing the Dustpods polymer stabilization system, from product mixing and application to compaction and the final topical treatment. Following these installation methods helps ensure consistent performance, improved road stabilization, effective dust control, and long-term durability. This training is designed for contractors, equipment operators, project managers, and field personnel who are responsible for achieving quality results on every project. Throughout this presentation, you'll be guided step by step through each phase of the installation process using real project examples and field-proven best practices. Now I'd like to introduce our field training specialist, who will guide you through each step of the installation process and share the best practices used in the field.
Before we begin the installation process, it's important to understand what makes Dustpods different. At the microscopic level, the Dustpods polymer forms a bond with water, soil particles, and aggregate. As the material is mixed and compacted, the polymer fills the microscopic voids within the road base, creating a stronger and more stable structure. This binding process improves load distribution, reduces dust generation, minimizes maintenance requirements, and helps extend the service life of the roadway. The result is a durable, stabilized surface that's built to withstand demanding job site conditions. The first step in the installation process is properly mixing the Dustpods solution. A proper mix is critical to achieving consistent performance throughout the project. Always begin with an empty water truck. As the tank is being filled, ensure there is a strong, continuous flow of water to create the agitation needed for proper mixing. Slowly and steadily pour the Dustpods powder directly into the flowing water during the first half of the tank fill. This allows the polymer to disperse evenly throughout the solution and helps prevent clumping. Once all of the product has been added, continue filling the remainder of the tank with water. This final dilution completes the mixing process, and the solution is ready for immediate application. Taking the time to mix the product correctly ensures a uniform application and helps maximize the performance of the Dustpods polymer throughout the roadway. With the Dustpods solution properly mixed, we're ready to begin the stabilization process using the road recycler, also known as the reclaimer. The solution is injected directly through the reclaimer during the recycling operation at an application rate of approximately 0.142 gallons per square foot to achieve the optimum moisture content, or OMC. Before beginning production, calibrate the machine and set the cutting depth to 4 inches. Once the system is primed, adjust the moisture setting to approximately 2.9 to 3.2%. As you complete the first pass, evaluate the material and verify that the moisture content is producing a uniform, workable mix. Make any necessary adjustments at this stage. Once the correct settings have been confirmed, maintain those settings consistently for the remainder of the project. Finally, remember to reserve 1 6-pound bottle of Dustpods for the final topical application after the roadway has been fully compacted. Following these procedures helps ensure consistent product distribution and creates the foundation for a strong, durable roadway. Once the reclaimer has completed its pass, compaction should begin immediately to preserve the optimum moisture content of the material. Start with a minimum 14-ton pad foot roller operating with the vibration system turned on, make 2 to 3 passes, or continue until the pad foot begins to walk out of the material. This indicates the base is gaining density and is ready for the next step. Once initial compaction has been achieved, the grader will shape the roadway to its final grade and cross slope. Throughout this process, continue monitoring the moisture content. If the material begins to dry below optimum moisture content, apply water as needed to maintain proper workability. After final grading is complete, begin finish compaction using a minimum 14-ton smooth drum roller, together with a pneumatic tire roller. Alternate between the two machines, making approximately 4 to 7 passes, or until the roadway reaches full compaction. Completing each of these steps in sequence helps produce a smooth, dense, and durable road surface that is ready for the final curing and topical application. At this stage, the focus shifts to achieving maximum density through proper rolling and moisture control. For the best results, operate the smooth drum roller and the pneumatic tire roller together. Each machine serves a different purpose. The smooth drum roller provides uniform compaction, while the tire roller kneads the material, helping eliminate remaining air voids and creating a tighter, more durable road base. Throughout the rolling process, continuously monitor the surface. If you notice dust beginning to form, it's a sign that the material is drying too quickly. Apply a light, even coat of water to the affected area to restore the proper moisture content before continuing compaction. It's important that the roadway is not allowed to dry out during the early stages of rolling. The Dustpods polymer cures as moisture gradually evaporates. Maintaining the correct moisture level during this phase allows the polymer to fully bond with the soil and aggregate, producing a stronger, longer-lasting stabilized surface. Taking the time to properly compact and manage moisture will maximize the performance and longevity of the finished roadway and prepare it for the final topical application. The final step in the installation process is applying the Dustpods topical application coat. Once the roadway has reached full compaction and all grading is complete, prepare the final application by mixing 1 6-pound bottle of Dustpods with 6,000 gallons of water. Using a water truck, apply the solution evenly across the entire road surface. This final treatment creates a uniform protective layer that enhances surface stability, improves dust suppression, and promotes consistent curing across the completed roadway. Apply the topical coat at a steady, even rate to ensure complete coverage and avoid over-application in any one area. After the topical application has been completed, the roadway is ready to be reopened to normal traffic. As the remaining moisture gradually evaporates, the Dustpods polymer continues to cure, creating a durable, long-lasting road surface designed to withstand daily use. By following each step in this installation process, from proper mixing and application to compaction and the final topical treatment, you'll achieve the best possible performance from the Dustpods stabilization system. Before we wrap up, I'd like to leave you with one final thought. Every successful Dustpods project starts with following the fundamentals. Take the time to mix the product correctly, monitor your moisture content, maintain proper compaction, and never overlook the final topical application. Each step plays an important role in the overall performance of the roadway. Quality results aren't achieved by one piece of equipment or one operator. They're achieved when the entire crew works together and follows the installation process from start to finish. On behalf of the Dustpods team, thank you for investing your time in this training. We appreciate your commitment to building stronger, longer-lasting roads and delivering quality workmanship on every project. Work safely, follow the process, and we'll see you on the next job site.
Thank you for joining us for the Dustpods installation training program. We hope this course has provided you with the knowledge and confidence to successfully install the Dustpods polymer stabilization system in the field. If you have questions about an upcoming project or need technical assistance, our team is here to help. On behalf of everyone at Dustpods, thank you for your time, your professionalism, and your commitment to quality. Stay safe, and thank you for choosing Dustpods.